1. Venice Biennale, Italy. Welcome to the Venice Biennale, a celebration of contemporary art set against the backdrop of Venice's stunning canals. Immerse yourself in a world where historic architecture meets cutting-edge creativity, as modern art installations transform the city's timeless beauty into a canvas of innovation and expression. 2. Art Basel, Switzerland, Hong Kong, Miami Beach. Step into the vibrant world of Art Basel, where the finest contemporary artworks from around the globe converge. Explore vast exhibition halls filled with striking pieces, as collectors and enthusiasts alike mingle amidst a bustling atmosphere of creativity and commerce. 3. Cannes Film Festival, France. Lights, camera, action, experience the glitz and glamour of the Cannes Film Festival, where cinematic excellence takes center stage. Walk the iconic red carpet alongside Hollywood stars and international auteurs as the world's most prestigious films premiere against the stunning backdrop of the French Riviera. 4. Oktoberfest, Germany. Prost! Join the festivities at Oktoberfest, the world's largest celebration of beer and Bavarian culture. Lose yourself in a sea of traditional dirndls and lederhosen as the aroma of pretzels and bratwurst fills the air amidst lively beer halls echoing with laughter and song. 5. South by Southwest, SXSW, USA. Welcome to the eclectic energy of South by Southwest, where music, film, and interactive media collide in a whirlwind of creativity. Navigate the bustling streets of Austin, Texas, as innovative tech demos, groundbreaking films, and electrifying live performances captivate your senses at every turn.